For the legal audit, Trenton Garmon here. Be mindful, I'm up in Tennessee now, that not every AG or judge is constitutional. And that's the idea of the organic process of due process laws. There's always a next step if it's in a state of disarray or unconstitutionality, which is quite common. So I'm still maintaining a position as an attorney that my license was unlawfully impaired and taken from me based on fraud. They're calling me crazy and said I had a DUI and was disordered. And I'm telling them that they're frauds and deceivers and sexual perverts, because the general counsel has tolerated me being sexually harassed by a female they sent me to for something up in Tennessee. They can't control that, but that happened. And then an attorney stood, Clark Hall, in the hallway with an erection while he owes me money. And they're doing nothing about the fees that are owed to my children and I. And just a little while ago, I had a call from a client asking me to help her, and I referred her to two other lawyers who didn't give me legal advice, and she thinks she's getting cheated. So these people are getting cheated or feel like they're getting cheated, been denied the opportunity for their lawyer to help them, and you're tolerating crime against me. And that's the unconstitutional state of the Alabama State Bar. Well, I don't. Yeah, Jesus rules. I just want to order the two for.
Hold, please.
Yes, ma'am, I will hold. So anywho, this is called common life for you fake tick, unconstitutional lawyers. Not the real ones, but the ones who've never actually worked a job. See, I was in the Army, so I worked a job well before the unconstitutional ones got into the bar. And in 1986, I wrote my first correspondence to another lawyer's daughter. So see, when you fakes came in the bar, being either, some of you guys have short peckers, so you can't fill the vaginal vault, and you otherwise feel inadequate, so you lie, just like Clark Hall came at me with a 3-inch erection. And y'all can't make fun of me or mock me or say I'm doing anything wrong for bringing these things up, because you tolerate these facts against me. You let a lawyer sexually harass me with a hard-on and steal from me, and you do nothing. I would like to order the 2 for $5, if I may, Whopper Juniors, and a soft serve ice cream cone. It's common everyday life, so you can communicate with people and they're speaking truth. Yes, ma'am, that's all.
734.
But you lawyers, you are so steeped in deception and stealing that you don't even think not giving an accounting to someone for his fees after he unlawfully took his files on a raid while he was in jail on a divorce that got corrected. You're so steeped in stealing, you don't even think there's anything wrong with it. Now, if I didn't have military training and also computer science training and was an accomplished athlete, maybe my ego would be tied to being a lawyer, and I would be a liar and a cheater and a fraud like the few that are involved. But I'm not. So to answer my client who called this morning, I'm not practicing, and I'm sorry that I'm not. To answer the Alabama State Bar at large, we have corrupt lawyers who are continuing to maintain unconstitutional states against other lawyers, and we need a new general counsel, or we need a new deputy general counsel. And I think we need a new general counsel because Roman Shaw is tolerating it. And yes, again, fake Roman, Shaw shank you in the back is what occurred. Dirty Jeremy, Lake of Fire McIntyre, it's fraud, okay? Sexual harassment, defamation. Yes, sir, I have liberty rights. And the other lady, I'll just leave out of it at this point. But I'm going to embed all this on the internet because I don't know when I'm going to be raptured or pass away otherwise, and y'all are not going to taint my name with your fraud, your deception, and your sexual perversions. I was a pastor, a good father of 5, and I was in a child custody battle, and I built one of the most valuable law firms in the state